Hello guys, welcome to my new video about Zen browser. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change download location in Zen browser. So let's get started. To change it, you need to go to settings. To do it, click on the gear icon at the top left, and we already in the necessary tab, general. Now you need to scroll down a bit until you find files and applications. And here you can see save files to downloads in my case. And to change download location, you need to click on the browse button right here. And now select the path for the new download folder. For example, you can select documents and click on select folder. And here you can see the path to this folder. Or you can check this checkbox, always ask you there to save files, and then you can choose where you want to save the file each time. So this is how you can easily change download location in this browser. Thank you so much for watching, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.